Can somebody release their sound of victory in His place? Come on, come on, come on. Release your sound of victory so that your walls of Jericho will come crumbling down. Hey! Woo! Hallelujah is the sound of victory. Yeah. Hallelujah is the sound of joy. Aya. Hallelujah is the sound of victory. Yeah. Ooh. Hallelujah is the sound of joy. Hallelujah to the Lamb upon the throne. Hallelujah unto Emmanuel. Hallelujah to the one who was and is to come. Oh, hallelujah is the sound of joy. I'll do that again. Hallelujah to the Lamb upon the throne. Hallelujah unto Emmanuel. To the one who was and is to come. Oh, hallelujah is the sound of joy. Can somebody one more time release your sound and let the walls of Jericho come down, 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 down. Hey, in the face of your challenges, you release hallelujah. You release your hallelujah. Emama separata. Let's do this together. Say hallelujah. Hallelujah is the sound of victory. Hey, hallelujah is the sound. Hallelujah is the sound of joy. When you are faced with troubles, what sound do you release? Hallelujah is the sound of victory. Hallelujah is the sound. Hallelujah is the sound of joy. Hallelujah is the sound of victory. Hallelujah is the sound of victory. When I don't know what to say, I release hallelujah. Hallelujah is the sound of joy. When you don't know what to do, you release hallelujah. Hallelujah is the sound of victory. Hallelujah is the sound of joy. Hallelujah is the sound of joy. Oh, we sing hallelujah. upon the throne of my life. Hallelujah. Want to, even when I don't know what to do. Hallelujah. To the one. Come on, let him hear you. Hallelujah is the sound. When you don't know what to do, what do? Shout. Hallelujah is the. When you don't know who to run to, what is the code you use? Hallelujah. In the good, in the bad, in the turbulent, in the mysterious times. Hallelujah. Say hallelujah is the sound of victory. Hallelujah is the sound of joy.